Well guys, I'm doing a vlog here at Redfern, so enjoy. We have A50 departing for a Hornsby via Gordon service.
North Sydney, then all stations to Blackwood, and then all stations to Hornsby.
Next stop is Central, obviously. Central service, H40. H46, sorry. This one's off of Wyong. A21 for a service to Olympic Park. A28 is the rear half of the shoulder. A21 is just about to depart platform number 2 for an Olympic Park service, Strathfield and Olympic Park. Alright, stops today. Two Waratahs, A34 Central from Olympic Park and A65 down for City Centre. A34 to Central from Olympic Park. Central service approaching platform 1. K62. Another City Circle service. This one's off Redfern, I presume. So it is A35. And I'll move over here to get the K-sets. K95.
Please stand behind the yellow line.
We also have a VFET, Lithgow service, V47 front half, next stop Strathfield, Lidcombe, Granville, Parramatta, Westmead, Blacktown, Penrith, Flaxton, Glenbrook, Flaxton, Warramia Valley High, Springwood, Falkbridge, all the Lithgow. V42 is the rear half. And Waratah A35 is just about to depart.
Does not stop at this platform along the length of the please stand behind the yellow line. The next train does not stop at this platform.
Behind that is Waratah
The
A32.
yellow line. The next train does not stop.
46 front half.
At this platform.
This is a Newcastle service.
The yellow line.
Next stop, Strathfield, Eastwood, Epping, Hornsby, Woy Woy, Gosford, Tuggerah, Wyong, and all stations at Angel. Waratah B26 and A3, first Waratah to enter service, bound for Olympic Park. I mean, from Olympic Park to Central. Central service. A number 9, Epping service.
To avoid congestion, Move evenly along the length of the platform. Thank you.
9, Epping, Burwood, Strathfield, North Strathfield, Concord West, Rhodes, Meadowbank, West Ryde, Eastwood, Epping. Eastwood, Epping. As far as it goes. Sydney Terminal V36. Apologise for any wind, by the way. I'm unsure of where this came from. It might be, I don't know, V51's the rear half. That might be off Lithgow or Mount Victoria. And A34. Waratah. This is at A22. Barara service. I think. A22. And we have A57. This is what's the platform is that? I know Leppington, I presume. Homebush, sorry, maybe. K95 front half. This is a Olympic Park service. Steam train should be right behind this. Love the smell of a good cake. 5 front half now departing. Olympic Park service. It's probably the only K-set running today. Actually, no, I lied. There's probably 2, but the other one running on the Bankstown. We have K62. We will have a steam service about to pass. Steam locomotive 3642. On the rear should be HL 203. This is a Wollongong service. Percival, Sutherland, Scarborough, Ostomy and Wollongong.
Please stand behind the yellow line.
Very nice. Oh, no, HL 203. Timetable lied.
Goes to Olympic Park via Strathfield. First stop, Strathfield, and then Olympic Park.
We've got our central service arriving. A56. No, Hornsby via Gordon. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Goodbye.